You ever have those hard to reach items that are above your cabinets? Like I want to get rid of this card up here and you just can't reach it, or your stool is too small. I'm going to show you how to make your own gopher with a clothespin. Check it out. First off, you need a clothespin, and we always have clothespins here because we use it to clip bags. They're one of the best bag sealers that you can find. Case in point, look at all of this, right? Sometimes we use that, but clothespins are cents on the dollar, and they're so easy to apply and it works so well. So that's what we're gonna do. So grab yourself a clothespin. You want a line. I always keep some cordage here in my junk drawer. You can use shoelaces or any type of line, cord, thread, but I'm gonna use a different amount of this, and I'll show you what the length you're gonna need. And then you're gonna need a pole. We all have mops, brooms, dusters. These are the best, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one because it has a flat edge here. And that's what I want. I don't want any that are like this or rounded, because the safety pin needs to sit flush on that. So, yep, there we go. Then you're gonna need some duct tape. You should always have duct tape hanging around your house. You can use it for so many different occasions, instances, projects. I like the Gorilla Tape. It's just has extra adhesive, super strong, but you can use any type of duct tape. So grab that. All right, let's get started. I also grabbed some scissors and a lighter because when I cut the cord, I want to melt it so it doesn't fray. You'll see. The amount of cordage or line that I want is going to be the length of your broom. So I just go towards the top, maybe a couple inches past it. And I just pull it down right to there. Here we go. Let's cut that. You see how it, I guess you can see how it frays. So I'm gonna light that quickly. Just a little bit. And usually kind of, you can twirl it. It helps cool it down. You don't want to get that on you. Then I'm gonna do the same here. Now, I don't have to be super strict around this. I don't want it dripping, so I just want to get rid of the frays. They melt onto one another. There we go. I have my camera tilted, so it's kind of hard to get the angle, but you get the point there, okay? There we go. Now we're gonna do our clothespins. First off though, let's get a strip of our duct tape. Just a little bit, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. And then we're gonna pull it down the center, rip it down the center. And you can just set it, like I have the countertop here. And I have the ends right here. So I can easily peel it back off. There you go. We are gonna place it, I'm gonna put this under my arm so I can show you. We are gonna place this right on the top. Now, when you place this here, you don't wanna put it right in the center. I'm gonna get closer. You don't want it in the center because you're gonna be pulling down. So when you pull down, you want all the force to go down to the handle or you're gonna rip this off. So right where the edge of the handle, like the handle of the clothespin, we're gonna tape it down right on the top. Like that, right towards the end there, okay? So let me do that and I'll show you. Now, first off, I went ahead and taped the top of the plastic broom handle just because tape sits more firmly on top of another strip of tape. So I did that, and I don't want to leave this on my broom, so I dog-eared the 2 strips of tape here, as you can see. And what a dog-ear is, you just fold it onto each other. So it's easy to remove. You see that? There we go. So that's all I did. As I press, it's going straight through the handle this way, okay? Here we go. You can see, there you go. That's your your gopher, right? Your grabber. Okay, now we're gonna put our line on top of it. Now I did the same thing on the clothespin. I first taped it, and then I just did a loop. So I grabbed an end, did the loop. This way it gives it more stick tension on the tape, if you will, to press it down on top. So I did a little loop right on top of it. Then I just taped it down. You can see that is my line, and when I pull on it, it opens. So now look at that. And when I pull on it, the line, right, physics, I want all of the tension getting pulled straight down, not outwards. If it goes outwards, it's gonna tilt this up and it's gonna break apart. So since I taped everything right here straight through, when I pull, it opens. So let's try it out. And I wanna grab that card up there. So here we go. I'm pulling so it opens it. Voila! Look at that. That was actually a book. There you have it. A broom. And you have some duct tape, clothespin, and a line. It could be a shoelace. Again, double up thread. You can even roll up some of the tape into a cylinder and kind of make a rope out of it. But when you press down, there's the grabber, right? Look at that. I'm Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you on the next one.